Hi, my name's Charles Delastic. I'm the Managing Director of Blue Bond Tax Planning. I've been an inheritance tax specialist for more than 18 years, helping clients to avoid inheritance tax. This video focuses on an estate planning structure and why we believe it's important for all of our clients to set up an estate planning structure within their wills to enable us to help them manage their estate in the long term as effectively as possible. Hi and welcome back. So today's video is around an estate planning structure, why it's important and why you should put it into place. So an estate planning structure is new wills, some trusts written around those wills, so the wills pass the money to the trusts on first death and on second death. The number of trusts you would have would be dependent on the number of children that you had, for instance, and also the value of your estate. So there are some significant inheritance tax benefits to this estate planning structure, but the main focus on this is the protection of your assets when you die. Now, we've no idea when somebody dies. So if a client comes to see us and they've got £3 million of assets and we don't set this structure up for them and they literally died within the 7 years, so other planning that we planned to put into place didn't work because they didn't live the 7 years, this planning is immediately effective from the day that it's put up, and therefore we recommend to clients that it's the first thing they do, and it does carry some very major long-term benefits. Because ideally we're looking for clients to die with just under around £1 million of assets. If they're likely to die with more than £1 million of assets, we would look for whole of life insurance, for instance, to protect and pay the inheritance tax on that. But invariably the amount of money they're leaving within these trusts tends to be quite significant. So there are, as I say, some significant benefits, because if your children get divorced, it protects the money. If your children go bankrupt, it protects the money. If your children die quite early, leaving young grandchildren, it protects the money for the grandchildren. So it's all around protection and making sure that your assets are protected for 120 years. And that's the main point of it. So for most people, as I say, it does have some significant inheritance tax benefits as well, and that is largely dependent on the value of their main residence. It also, within these structures, we can put in something called immediate post-death interest trusts, known as IPTIs. There's another video around that if you don't understand that particular arrangement. So hopefully that helps. That's the reason for the estate planning structure. It's protecting your family in the long term, and I believe it's suitable for every single one of our clients, is the honest answer. Okay, hopefully you found that useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and a like the video. But thanks for listening, and goodbye for now. Bye.